I'm currently pursuing my second year BTech in Information Technology at Vishnu Institutes of Technology in Bhimavaram. In this video, I'm going to explain topics of basic concepts of JavaScript and how to install nodejs and how to create a Telegram chatbot. Now we'll see. First, go to Visual Studio. The first concept is about variables. Variables are containers used to store data values. JavaScript provides three ways to declare variables: var, let, and const. Here is the simple code for the variables. Now we'll see the execution. Type node space the file name variables.js. Here is the output, and the next concept is conditional statements. Here is the simple code for it. Conditional statements help you make decisions in code. The main types are if, else, if, and else. JavaScript checks conditions using comparison operators like greater than, less than, equals to, and so on. Here is the simple code for it. Now we'll see the execution. Type node space file name conditional.js. Here is the output for it. And the next concept is arrays. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. Elements are stored in an ordered list starting with index 0 using array methods like push, pop, and length. Here is the simple code for it. Now we'll see the execution. Node space arrays.js. Here is the output. The next concept is loops. Loops help repeat code until a condition is met. Common types of loops are for loop, while loop, and do while loop. The for loop runs for a specific number of times, while loop runs as long as the condition is true. Use loops to process arrays or repetitive tasks efficiently. Here is the simple code for loops. Now we will see the execution. Node space loops.js. Here is the output. The next concept is functions. Here is the functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Use the function keyword or arrow functions. Functions can take parameters and return values. You can call a function multiple times with different arguments. Here is the simple code for the functions. Now we will see the execution. Node space functions dot js. Okay, sorry. Give the file name properly. Functions.js. Node space functions.js. Here is the output. The next concept is objects. Okay, objects store data as key value pairs. Each key is called a property and each value can be any data type. Access values using dot or bracket notation. Objects can also have functions called methods. They are used to represent real world entities like users, cars, etc. Here is the simple code for the objects. Now we will execute it. Node space objects.js. Here is the output. The next concept is callback functions. Here is it. A callback is a function passed as an argument to another function. It allows asynchronous execution, common in events, timers, or APIs. Here is the simple code for the callback function. Now we will execute it. Node space callback dot js. Here is the output. Next, the concept is how to install nodejs. For that we will go to Chrome. Node.js is a runtime environment that runs JavaScript outside the browser. It uses the V8 engine for high performance. It allows building server-side and backend applications. It supports asynchronous, event-driven programming. Here is the website for downloading Node.js. I have already done it. So next we have to install packages in Node.js. For that there are few steps we have to follow. Here is the new terminal. Now we will give few commands for it, which is mkdir telegram -nlp calculator -bot. I have already done it, so I'm just showing it. Next command is cd telegram -nlp calculator bot. This is the first step, and now the second step is type npm init -while, and the third step is install dependencies. For that, npm space install space node -telegram space bot space -api space node -nlp. So these are the commands for installing. Next we have to build Telegram chatbot using Node.js. For that we have to go to Telegram and search for bot fodder. Here is it. Next type -new bot. It is asking to give a bot name, which is nj not bot. I have given it. Here is the token. It is given. Okay. Now we will see the program. This is the JavaScript program I have given. Here is the token, and this is the program, which is prime number. Now I will execute it. Node space bots dot nodejs. Bot is running, and now we will see the output for it. Now we are going to see the output. I have already given few numbers. I am giving 4. 4 is not a prime number, and 89, which is a prime number. So this is the output for it, and thank you.